Welcome back. If you're looking for the top 5 best dash cams of 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you want to record your daily commute, road trips, unexpected incidents, or simply have extra protection on the road, a reliable dash cam can be a smart investment. In today's video, we'll take a look at 5 of the best dash cams available in 2026, focusing on important features like video quality, night vision, recording modes, storage, smart features, and overall value for money. We'll also help you understand which option might be the best fit for your driving needs and budget. Product links are provided in the description below, so you can easily check the latest prices and specifications. So, let's get started with the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. 5. eyebuoy N6. The eyebuoy N6 4-channel 360-degree dash cam delivers complete surround coverage by recording Ultra HD video from the front, rear, and both sides simultaneously, helping minimize blind spots for commuters, rideshare drivers, and fleet vehicles. With ultra-wide 107-degree front and rear views, 150-degree side cameras, adjustable side angles, infrared night vision, and vision-enhanced technology for clearer plates and road details, it provides reliable footage day and night. The N6 also features up to 48-hour parking surveillance when paired with the separately sold eWEA hardwire kit, offering time-lapse and impact detection modes to help protect your vehicle while parked. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 and GPS make it easy to preview, download, share footage, and track speed and routes through the app. With loop recording, a 128GB memory card included, support for cards up to 256GB, and G-Sensor emergency locking, important footage stays protected. Please note that the N6 is a wired dash cam with no built-in battery and must be connected to your vehicle's power source while in use. The included car charger is suitable for everyday driving, while the optional hardwire kit is required for parking mode. Backed by 12-month customer support, the eyebuoy N6 is a feature-packed choice for drivers looking for comprehensive 360-degree vehicle protection. 4.7 May A810 Lite upgrade your driving experience with this 4K front plus 1080p rear dash cam, designed to capture every important moment on the road with crystal clear detail. Featuring 38 Forti 2160p Ultra HD front recording and 1080p rear recording, wide-angle lenses, HDR, advanced night vision, an f1.55 large aperture, and reliable low-light performance, it delivers clear footage day or night. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 makes it easy to preview, download, and share videos directly to your smartphone through the Smart app, while 24-hour parking mode, GPS with GPS plus GLONASS plus BDS, voice control, loop recording, and low-voltage protection provide added convenience and security. It's compact, credit card-sized design fits discreetly behind your rearview mirror, and the supercapacitor offers dependable performance in high temperatures. Whether you're commuting, taking a road trip, driving for rideshare, or simply looking for extra protection on the road, this dash cam is a smart choice. Check out the YouTube video to see it in action, and find the product link in the description to learn more or purchase on Amazon. 3 Viofo A229 Plus upgrade your driving safety with the Viofo A229 Plus 2-channel dash cam, featuring dual Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensors for exceptional front and rear image quality. With advanced HDR recording and 2K plus 2K resolution, it captures sharp details, accurate colors, and license plates even in challenging lighting and fast-moving situations. The dashcam also includes hands-free voice control, ultra-precise quad-mode GPS, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and 3 24/7 parking modes for added protection when your vehicle is parked. Its user-friendly interface and flexible installation make setup simple, while the Viofo app lets you preview, download, and manage footage conveniently from your smartphone. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or protecting your vehicle while parked, the A229 Plus is a powerful all-around dash cam designed to give drivers greater confidence on the road. Check the product link in the YouTube video description to learn more and see the latest price on Amazon. 2. Red Tiger F7N Touch. Upgrade your driving experience with the Red Tiger F7N Touch Dual Dash Cam, designed to capture every important moment on the road in stunning detail. Featuring 4K UHD front recording with a Starvis 2 sensor and 1080p Full HD rear recording, This dash cam delivers wide-angle coverage with WDR, HDR, and enhanced night vision for clearer footage day or night. The convenient touchscreen and voice control features make it easy to operate hands-free, while built-in GPS and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi let you track your route, view footage, and quickly share videos through the Red Tiger Cam app. With loop recording, G-Sensor emergency protection, 24-hour parking monitoring support, and an included 128 GB memory card, the F7N Touch is built to provide reliable protection on every journey. Easy installation, an 18-month guarantee, and 24/7 customer support make it an excellent choice for drivers looking for a feature-packed dash cam. Check the Amazon link in the video description to learn more about the Red Tiger F7N Touch and see if it's right for your car. One Rove R2 4K Dual Lance. Upgrade your driving security with the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam, designed to record both the road ahead and behind at the same time. Its front camera captures 2.5K QHD footage and intelligently upscales it to 4K 2160p, while the rear camera records in Full HD 1080p for detailed coverage. Powered by a Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 5-megapixel sensor, f1.5 for an aperture, HDR, and super night vision, it helps deliver clearer footage in low-light conditions, including nighttime driving, tunnels, dusk, and dawn. Built-in 5.8 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi lets you quickly view, download, and share recordings through the Rove app at speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second, while built-in GPS records speed, location, driving routes, and compass data. The 3-inch IPS display, G-Sensor, loop recording, emergency video lock, motion detection, and support for up to 1 terabyte micro SD cards add extra convenience and protection. It also includes a 128 gigabyte micro SD card and offers customizable 24/7 parking modes when paired with a compatible hardwire kit. With easy installation, thermal protection, a built-in supercapacitor, and a complete installation kit, the Rove R2 4K Dual is a feature-packed choice for drivers who want reliable front and rear video coverage and added peace of mind on the road. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dash cams of 2026. I hope this video helped you find the right dash cam for your car, whether you're looking for high-quality video, reliable night recording, GPS, parking monitoring, or front and rear coverage. Don't forget to check the product links in the description for the latest prices and more details on each dash cam. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming product reviews and top 5 lists. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.